conversation before about, you know, in another conversation about self-study and about, and self-study can get you some places. It definitely can, but it's better when you actually enroll in the school where the literature is a part of the learning experience, because there's some things that you don't get outside of the school, So I had asked, for the viewers, I had asked the brother the question. I said, well, what's significant about this prayer that distinguishes it from most of our ideas of praying, right? And he mentioned our posture. Absolutely, we're not bowing. We're standing straight up. We're not closing our eyes. We got our eyes open. These are things. So that's the manner. But the prayer itself, right? And I mentioned, I said, this is something that we overlook when we say the prayer. This particular prayer, we're not asking for anything. That's what makes it significant. And I'm going to go into a little detail about that. What is it then? It's an affirmation. That's what it is. It's an affirmation. And why affirmations are so powerful, some of you know why affirmations are powerful, because they program you to be in a state of gratitude. Well, when you cultivate a state of gratitude, you are cultivating the environment in your mind and in your body that you've already received the thing. You see, that you're already in possession of the thing. Why is that important? Here's the example. When you, let's take it, you have the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nervous system. One works when everything is normal. The other kicks in when there's danger.
Right.
When there's danger, it shuts down all the things that are extraneous, and it focuses on, you being able to hide, run, or fight. And it's designed only to last for 15 seconds, 20 seconds tops. That's what it's designed to do. Then after that, what do? It's just like when you see wild animals, they escape from danger, they rest. They recover, because it takes a strain on you. Now, when let's say you're stuck in a cave and there's a lion outside the cave. Oh, you're in that state, but you're in that state for a prolonged period of time because the lion's out there. Well, that's what stress does to us. You see, stress is the thought of a condition that hasn't even appeared yet. And like Prophet Drew Ali taught us, the thought of affliction harms worse than the affliction itself, right? So I'm thinking that, okay, a bad situation's about to happen. My body doesn't know the difference.
More, I have to interject. The reason is because there's a guy out there by the name of Joe Dispenza who talks about the same. That's his whole ministry, basically.
Get out of here. That's crazy.
He talks about how emotions and fears and things of that nature are trapped in the body, and you're no longer your mind anymore. You're your body. You know what I'm saying? Like your body takes over.
That's real.
And I think that's
yo, bro. So it works the opposite. We could use it to our advantage now.
Right.
So when I cultivate a state of gratitude, get it? When I say Allah is my protector, my God, and my salvation by night and by day, that means I'm good. I'm safe. You see what I'm saying? If I say it with sincerity, that means I'm cultivating a state of gratitude as if I already have the protection. And my body doesn't know the difference.
Right.
See what I'm saying?
Right. Exactly.
And what does that go to? That goes back into the teaching in the Holy Quran of Moorish Science of America, where Jesus is talking to Lamas in chapter 7. People think I'm waxing religious right now. It's okay, right? Where he says that heaven and earth, you can ask him what is wisdom? Wisdom is the consciousness that Allah and man are one, right? And then another part of the answer, he says that heaven, earth, and hell are not above, around, or below, but within.
Right.
Woo! What does that mean? It refers exactly to the process I'm talking about right now. Here's another example. I'm looking at your shirt. You got a polo shirt on. It's got a red jockey on it. Yeah. Why is it red to me, to my eyes? Because it's made of a material that absorbs every color in the spectrum but red and reflects red back to my eye. But guess what says it's red? My ocular nerve that speaks to my brain. So I actually only see the red inside my head. Everything we see out here, right, and can distinguish is interpreted inside of our heads. That's deep. You see what I'm saying? That's crazy. Because we presume, you get it? You get it? What do we presume? That, oh, it's red because it's red out there. No, it's red in here.
Right.
This shirt is blue in your mind, period. And that's the truth. So the outside world literally is a projection of my inside thoughts. Literally. That's not just religion, that's science. And in the old world, there was no distinction between the two. See?
All of the above is caused by the Son of Man.
All of the above is caused by the Son of Man. That's right. That's right.
Yeah, yep. Well, that's see, I need the sound effects, man. Damn, dropped in the bombs. So let's go into nationality. The difference between nationality and nationality and oh my God, what's the word I'm missing here? The difference between nationality and it starts with an E. I'm just losing my train. Ethnicity. Nationality. The difference between nationality and ethnicity.
Great question. See, first I want to preface the question with this: like when the Prophet Noble Drew Ali says he came to teach us of our nationality, right? That's not an end. That's a means to an end. You see, the means is a means. Nationality is a means, and the end result is the uniting of the Asiatic people in the states of North America. Just like all the Germans, no matter what state they're in America, all the German Americans are united under the nationality of what? German. See? So I've used this analogy before, I'll use it again. Let's just say Italy. Inside Italy, you have distinctions amongst Italian citizens. Those distinctions would be ethnic. You've got Sicilian, you've got Calabrese, you see, those are ethnic groups within Italy. But how are all of these ethnic groups known outside of Italy?
Through
Italian. Exactly. See? Because it unifies. It unifies. That is the difference. See what I'm saying?
Right.
And that's the purpose. It unifies people. It brings people together. It brings us, in this case, nationality generally is how, that's why Prophet Drew Ali says nationality is the foundation of humanity, because humanity is a collective unit. Collective, many people. How does it organize into a unit? By nations and tribes. That's how.
Gotcha.
Yes, sir.
All right. So now you already explained why it's important. Why not FBA versus Moorish American? I know we kind of touched on that last time. However, I really want to bring this like home, and I want to, talk to those who are FBA, who consider themselves FBA.
FBA, ADOS, BIPOC. First, you got to salute them. And I say that to say this. You got